Before we get into the stunning world of architecture and luxury home design in the USA, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you love architecture, real estate, and design insights, this is the place to be. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a build. Let's start with the basics. How are homes actually designed in the United States? Every home starts with a concept, a mix of the homeowner's vision, the site's possibilities, and the architect's creativity. Most residential projects follow this sequence: site selection and evaluation, initial design consultation, schematic designs and sketches, final construction drawings, permits and approvals, construction phase, and finally, interior finishing and landscaping. Architects are more than just artists with a pencil. They're licensed professionals who understand building codes and zoning laws, balance form and function, ensure homes are safe, efficient and beautiful, collaborate with engineers, interior designers and builders, and bring your vision to life within legal and financial constraints. In luxury projects, architects may work hand in hand with landscape architects, lighting consultants, and even audio-visual automation experts to create a seamless lifestyle experience. But what separates a standard home from a luxury property? It's not just price, it's custom design, location, materials, scale, and innovation. Key elements of luxury homes often include prime locations like coastal, hillside, or gated communities, high-end materials such as marble, imported stone, and rare woods, custom finishes and artisanal craftsmanship, unique layouts and expansive open spaces, top-of-the-line smart home integration, and private amenities like home theaters, spas, wine cellars, or even bowling alleys. Luxury properties in the United States, they truly go through a more intensive design and build process, you know? They often follow a design-build model, where architects and builders collaborate right from day one. It's quite fascinating how they work together to create something extraordinary. So, let's talk about the steps involved. First, we have concept development, where they use three-dimensional renders and virtual walkthroughs to bring ideas to life. Then there's material selection, and trust me, it's detailed right down to the grain of the hardwood. Next up, custom engineering comes into play for those impressive large glass walls, floating staircases, or even rooftop pools. The interior design is then tailored specifically to the owner's lifestyle, brand, or perhaps their art collection. And let's not forget about landscape architecture, which beautifully blends nature with the structural elements of the home. Now, when it comes to construction, well, it can take anywhere from 12 to 36 months, depending on the complexity of the project. It involves dozens of specialized teams, all working diligently to bring these luxurious visions to life. Modern American luxury homes emphasize simplicity, technology, sustainability, and openness. Let's look at some key design trends. Minimalist aesthetic. Clean lines, neutral palettes, uncluttered spaces. Built-in storage to keep surfaces clear. Hidden appliances and integrated tech. Indoor-outdoor living. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors. Infinity pools. Outdoor kitchens. Fire pits. Seamless transitions between the living room and the patio. Sustainable materials, reclaimed wood, solar panels, passive design, energy-efficient HVAC systems and water reuse systems, smart home automation, control lighting, blinds, music, temperature and security from a phone or voice assistant, custom lighting scenes and biometric access, statement architecture, floating staircases, double-height ceilings with skylights, sculptural facades and asymmetrical designs. Take California, for example. In Los Angeles, modern mansions feature cliffside views, infinity-edge pools, and interiors inspired by luxury resorts. In Miami, tropical modernism dominates: flat roofs, open breezeways, and palm-lined water features. In Aspen or Montana, you'll find modern mountain homes with timber, stone, and glass, built to blend into rugged landscapes. Every region in the U.S. has its own luxury flavor, but the core remains the same: elevated living designed with intention. Good home design isn't just about beauty, it's about how a space makes you feel, the flow of light, the materials you touch, the views you see when you wake up. A well-designed luxury home supports your well-being, lifestyle, and legacy. Architects and designers shape how we experience the world, one room, one home at a time. From classic craftsman cottages to bold glass mansions, homes in the U.S. reflect more than function. They reflect who we are. And with the help of skilled architects and visionary builders, the sky really is the limit. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury architecture and home design, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What would your dream home include?